Hi all, this is replacement problem 3. So here it is given original cost of the machine is rupees 5000. Operating cost varies as follows. Okay, here they have given year 1 to 7 and operating cost for the first year is 400, 500, 700. Then fourth year is 1000, 1300, 1700, 2100. Okay, at 9 percentage is the discount rate of money. So they have given the present value rate of interest is given 9 percentage is the discount rate of money. What should be the optimum replacement period? So here they gave operating cost as well as your discount rate, okay, or otherwise called rate of interest is given. Okay, let us see the problem. If this kind of problem is given, how to find out the optimum replacement cost. So we'll see. Okay, so this is the solution. Let you consider C as the original cost, that cost of the machine. So what is given here is 5000 rupees. 5000 is given here. Okay, and scrap value is not given, so you have to take S is equal to 0, and present value because it is 9 percentage is given, no, so you have to take as a present value. For that there is a table, is that present value table. Otherwise you can use formula. Okay, the formula is 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power of n. Okay, 1 divided by 1 plus r. R is your rate of interest. What is rate of interest? Here r is equal to 9 percentage rate of interest is given. Okay, so r is the rate of interest, otherwise called a discount factor. The next one is I have taken MC is a maintenance cost, and CMC is a cumulative maintenance cost. TC have written, so total cost, and C dot PV is means cumulative present value. So from the table value we are finding, no, or from using the formula we have to find out your present value. So for that you have to do cumulative present value. Another one is WA I used is the weighted average. So for that weighted average formula is cumulative present value divided by total cost. Okay, so these are the terminology I am going to use and the formula I am going to use. Okay, you have to use a present value formula as well as your weighted average formula. Present value you can find out by using either table value, otherwise you can find out by using this formula 1 by 1 plus r. R is the rate of interest. Here it is, r is given 9 percentage, and n is the number of year. Number of year is first year, second year, third year, like that. For each value we have to find out the present value of that particular equipment. Okay, so I'm going to use this terminology. Let us see now. So this is the table. Okay, maintenance cost and present value at 9 percentage, present value of maintenance cost, cumulative maintenance cost, cost minus resale value, and total cost, and cumulative present value weighted average. Okay, so this is the given data I have taken here. 400, 500, it's a given data, no. Operating cost is nothing but a maintenance cost I have taken, and this is the table value. You can find out from present value table. For 9 percentage you have to write down. Okay, otherwise use that formula. So 1 I will tell you. See, like this, 1 by 1 plus r to the power of n, no. So 1 by 1 plus r is 9 percentage, no. So 9 divided by 100. Okay, to the power of say third year. Okay, so 1 by 1 plus 0.09 to the power of third year. So we'll get 1 by 1.09 to the power of third year. So if you take 1.09 to the power of third year, so you will get 1.2950. Okay, so 1 by 1.2950 you will get. So 1 divided by 1.2950. Okay, so if you calculate you will get 0.772. Okay, this is for third year, so you have to write down like this, 0.772. So like this, fourth year you have to write. So by using formula you have to find out like this. Otherwise you can use your present value table value at 9% rate of interest, so you will get the value directly. Okay, so here you can make one small correction. Average weighted average formula is total cost divided by cumulative present value. Okay, total cost divided by cumulative present value. So I am going to find out for third column. So third column, present value of your maintenance cost. So you have to multiply first column and second column to find out the present value of maintenance cost. So 400 into 1 you will get 400. 500 into 0.917 you will get 458.5. Okay. And cumulative maintenance cost. So this is the present value cumulative maintenance cost you have to find out. Okay. So 400, and if you add with this 400 with 458.5 you will get 858.5. Like this you have to add. So you have to take the third column and you have to do cumulative maintenance cost. Okay. Then cost minus scrap value. Your cost is given 5,000, isn't it? The machinery's cost is 5,000 and your scrap value is 0. So for all the data you will get only 5,000. 5,000 minus 0 you will get only 5,000. Okay. And total cost you have to add your cost minus scrap value and with your cumulative maintenance cost. So fourth column and fifth column you have to add to get a total cost. So if you add here you will get 5,400 and here you will get 5,858.5. Okay. And cumulative present value, which is cumulative present value is this one, no? So you have to take a cumulative value. So directly first data is 1, then you have to add with the second data 1 plus 0.917 you will get 1.917. Okay, like that you have to add your next data. Okay, and your weighted average is your weighted average is your total cost divided by your CPV. Okay, so sixth column divided by seventh column. Okay, sixth column divided by seventh column, total cost divided by CPV. So 5,400 divided by 1 you will get 5,400 and 5,858.5 divided by your 1.917. Okay, you will get 3056. Okay, 0.07. Okay, and like that you have to do other values. Now I have completed for other rows. See, I'll repeat again. This is a given data and this is a table value, or you can use your formula. Okay, so 1 by 1 plus r to the power of n to find out the present value. Okay, then you have to multiply these two data, that is your present value of your maintenance cost, then cumulative value of your maintenance cost you have to find out. First data take same value, then you have to add with the other data. Okay, like this you have to add. Okay, after finding this, then find out your cost minus scrap, that is your cost of the machine is 5,000 only and scrap value is not given, so you have to take 0. So you will get all values 5,000. Okay, and total cost you have to add this fifth column and fourth column, so you will get a total cost. Then cumulative present value, how to find out the cumulative. Okay, first data and then add with this one, then so we will get like this. Okay, 1.917, 2.758, 3.58, like that you will get. Okay, this is 4.908. Okay, next one is the weighted average. Weighted average you have to take sixth column divided by seventh column. 5,400 divided by 1, 5,858.5 divided by 1.917, like. So you will get a weighted average. Here you have to find out. See, this is 5,400, next is 3,056, so decreasing. The other value is 2,300 something, it decreasing. Here 2,045, so again decreased. Here 1,009 911. So again from here it is decreased, and here it is 1883.53. Again it decreased, and here it is 1913.93. So here it is increased. So the previous data you have to take. So previous year in the sense which year. So the corresponding value is, your year is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, sixth year it is increased. So you have the optimum replacement of your machine is sixth year. How to write down the interpretation like this: since the average cost of the sixth year is less than that of the seventh year. Okay, so this is lesser value compared with your seventh year. So the optimum replacement is at the end of the sixth year. So end of the sixth year you can replace your machines. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Okay, so if they give maintenance cost and resale value, you have to use the previous lecture video have informed how to use that. And here they have given only operating cost, that is a maintenance cost is given, and the percentage discount rate is given. Okay, so in that case you have to use a present value formula. Okay, this value formula you have to use, and you have to find out the present value cumulative. Then you have to find out the weighted average. That weighted average, which year is increasing, that previous year you have to consider as a replacement year. Okay, so previous 2 lecture video is there for a replacement problem. You can check there. Okay, thank you.